Usembut Menteri Rangba Bakmi Yakatnat District Council Affairs DCA ba Preston Tisong ula pensyai ba ka Jingpynjlan ya ka Samoi Trikam ka KHADC ba JHADC sa Hinru Bnai kadai ka balak le Katkum ka ain ula ong ba ka Jingpynjlan kadai ka balak le halor ka Nongrim ban la pendep ya ka Jingpynbet Thema ya ki constituency bat ban pendep ya ki Kyndon kam habai ade ba ka Jingpynbna ya ki electoral roll jong ki MDC constituency laban kedeu hang ne ka sarkar jela dang hakatiyo balala kalapan bena ban penjalan biang sa Henry Bnai ya ka Samoi Trikam jong ka KHDC bat JHDC nama ka Kyndon ka Jingpynbet Thema ya ki constituency uloong ba ka AD rules ka Ibor bala ban penjalan ya ka Samoi Trikam ki ADC hadu khat ar Bnai balada umla ban pelong ya ka election hapo ka khat ar Bnai bala bu inla penjerino da ka administrator rule halor ka election ba prestun laong ba ka Jingpyn kre ya ka election ka KHDC bat JHDC kala ya Shekman par ka Jingpynjlan ya ka Samoi Trikam kan kutno ha ka santrik leber ahajar pusan
issued by the government on the 30th of August 2024 when the governor approved the recommendation has given understand to the proposal, the recommendation made by the cabinet on the 29th last month. Now the honorable governor has already assented and he has approved, and notification has come out where the extension of KHADC and JHADC for another 6 months time. In the notification itself, the honorable governor has also clearly mentioned that the process of election should be completed within this second time extended period of both the district council, which means within 5th March 2025 the election process or the new house has to be constituted in both the Khasi and Jaintia Autonomous District Council. See why the government has to extend for another 6 months. Why not only 3 months? I think public may ask this question. Why not 3 months or 2 months? Why should they extend for another 6 months? Let me just clarify here. We are being guided by the 6th schedule, by the AD rules, and the 6th schedule itself says that the governor can always extend the normal term of the district council in Meghalaya when the situation arises that he has to do that. Then he can extend not more than 12 months, meaning not more than 1 year. So the last extension we made only for 6 months, and again this is the second extension for another 6 months, and this second extension done only after all the details of schedule for the election of these 2 district council has been prepared, has been calculated, because as I said to you now, it takes not less than 1.5 months only to notify in the appendix of the AD rules, because the AD rules again has to incorporate, has to mention the list, the name of the villages wherever the changes has taken place. That itself will take not less than 1.5 months, and thereafter immediately the revision of electoral rolls has to take place, and now the DCA department is on the job, and not only that, to make things simpler or easier, government has to also get a permission, seek permission from the Election Commission of India